Hey baddies, it's your girl Bevy with Herscripts, and on this channel we talk about the science of hair growth and hair loss. They're not the same, so stop using them interchangeably. And I am going through my comments and I got a lot of questions about products and product reviews, so let me give you some of that. So a baddie asked me to review, apparently Shea Moisture has their own bond repair line now. So a baddie asked me to review the Shea Moisture bond repair line, and of course I'm like, let's go to the kitchen, let's cook real quick. So really quickly, before I go into this, I'm not gonna make it too long, don't worry. You know, bond repair is obviously a big deal right now. It's one of the top money makers in the hair care industry. And so bond repair, just so you know, is something that is there to repair the disulfide bonds of your hair, which is responsible for your hair structure, your hair's malleability, the elasticity of your hair, basically the formation of your hair. So if you have curly hair and your disulfide bonds are destroyed, your curls are destroyed, right? And it's very, very deeply rooted. So to repair the disulfide bonds, you need intense penetration and technology to do that, right? Because you're essentially reviving your hair structure from the dead. So anyway, that being said, you know, everybody wants a piece. And so we're gonna see if Shea Moisture is really going, is that girl and doing what she said she's going to do, or he, right? Anyway, so let's go right into it. So now the first thing I found that was weird was I tried to look for their bond repair line on the actual Shea Moisture website, and it's not on there yet. So I had to find it on Target. And of course I can't do the entire line review, right? I can only review a specific product. But typically for bond repair, I don't care what, insert the brand, you know, Olaplex, K18, everybody is going to create a line of products. But when it comes to real true bond repair, the main star of a bond repair show is the treatment mask. That is really what's important. So I was looking for their treatment mask, and of course I found it. So I'm on Target because I could not find it on their website, ironically. But it's the Shea Moisture Bond Repair Hair Mask. It's 11 ounces. It's their typical, you know, tubs of stuff. It's $13.99. And so let's see the information that I could find on, what's this site? On Target, because I couldn't find anything. Yeah, I couldn't find anything anywhere else. At a glance, it's phthalate free, cruelty free, paraben free. Everybody's free of all these things. Black owned or founded brand. So this is, I don't believe it's still black owned. It was definitely founded by, I think, Richard Lou Dennis. Am I saying his name correctly? Forgive me. Comment down below for his real name. So it was black owned, but now it's been bought out. Kudos to them. And so, but it's a black founded brand, and it still focuses on, you know, black hair care. I mean, it's for everyone, right? But it still has a focus on textured hair. So anyway, let me look at the highlights here. I'm going based on what I see here. Really quickly, if you're new to me, the way I do my reviews is I'm not reviewing the actual, you know, product itself and how it feels, the cosmetic elegance of the product, how it made my hair feel, because I just ain't got the money and the time to be buying everything. But what I typically do is I look at the product formulation and I see if it says, if it does what it says it's gonna do, and if it's worth my money and my time, and then I'll try it out, right? And then I'll let you know, guys, I'll give you part twos to a lot of these if I decide to go get them. So the highlights is the Shea Moisture Bond Repair Mask nourishes and visibly repairs dry, processed hair to transform damaged brittle strands into shiny renewed curls. Our 4-step bond repair system. Okay, blended with restorative Hydroplex infusion achieves 84% less breakage and 6 times stronger hair versus non-conditioning shampoo. Okay, so I have a question already. 4-step. Now, I know there's not 4 steps in just this mask, so I'm assuming that means shampoo, conditioner, mask, and something else. Like I said, I'm only looking at Target because I couldn't find the entire line. But from this, it means that you need all 4 steps to create the bond repair system. So you got to buy the 4 products so you can get the full bond repair, which is what these numbers say. Achieve 84% less breakage and 6 times stronger hair versus non-conditioning shampoo. This strengthening hair mask blended with amla oil, fair trade shea butter, and our unique amino blend helps repair signs of damage, specifically in curly, coily hair. Shea Moisture Bond Repair Mask hydrates hair to add shine, smoothness, softness, and 13 times ultra moisture versus conditioning shampoo. Apply the bond repair mask generously to wet hair and use a wide tooth comb to distribute it evenly from root to tip. Leave in for 5 minutes, then rinse. For best results, use with our bond bond repair shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in conditioner. 4 steps. So there you go. Okay, shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in conditioner. Hydroplex infusion, which I don't know exactly what that is, and I didn't get any information on that. But again, I'm limited to what I have here on Target instead of their website because it wasn't on there. Description. This is really long. I'll try my best. Where is like my mother goose glasses? Because honey, this is a lot. Okay, so we're gonna read what they're saying. We ready? Okay. So stronger, healthier hair is just 4 simple steps away with our 4-step bond repair system infused with restorative Hydroplex infusion for 84% less breakage and 6 times stronger hair, blended with amla oil, basically saying all the same things I just read. Start by gently cleansing with bond repair shampoo, then apply bond repair conditioner from root to tip, raking it through your hair with your fingers or using a comb for extra detangling. Leave conditioner in hair for 3 minutes and rinse. For extra moisture, apply the repair mask, which is what I'm going to review, and leave in for 5 minutes before rinsing. Finally, apply the bond repair leave-in conditioner to strengthen and hydrate your hair all day. We are all natural, sustainably produced goodness, hair care, blah, 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 blah. Our Shea Moisture is the legacy of Sophie Tucker. Okay, and then the history. Okay, so I'm trying to see if there's anything else here before I go into the ingredients, shipping and returns, Q&A. Let me look at the Q&A real quick. Let's see if there's anything interesting. Oh no, ask a question. All right, enough. So again, I have to preface this by saying, you know, I may have limited details about everything because I'm looking on Target.com and I could not find this on their own website where they can control the narrative a lot better. But anyway, Shea Moisture is a drugstore brand. It's a Target brand. So let's just go for it. So let me go in and I'm going to basically go in about the details of the formula. So this is, you know, an episode of What the F, what's in the formula, Shea Moisture Bond Repair Mask, MASQUE, because I'm not going to review the whole system. So really quickly, how does the product work? So what's the mechanism of the action, right? So it works as an emollient that moisturizers. It's an internal moisturizer that we have in our skin. And so, you know, when you have products with emollient in it, basically it's fortifying that moisture. And it's kind of, you know, not tricking, but it's kind of getting your skin, it's kind of, you know, like encouraging your skin to start creating more emollient so that you're no longer dry, right? And that's why when you hear, you know, people with eczema is because, you know, the barrier of their skin is compromised, but they also there's internal water loss, and the emollients, they're not really creating as much as they should to keep them moisturized. Hey baddies, it's your girl Bevy, and I'm interrupting you really quickly because I have to ask this very important question. Why am I not at 100K subscribers yet? Let's keep it a buck. I'm giving you real content. I'm dropping game for free, and I have loads of comments, okay? Loads of comments from my baddies saying that my content has helped them on their path to hair regrowth, okay? Effective hair regrowth. So please, okay, help a sister out. Start liking, okay? Liking these videos to help me in the algorithm. Subscribe to this channel. Share this content with your friends that may or may not be honest about whether or not they need my help, okay? And most importantly, I'm dropping a hair growth serum very, very soon. Please click the link down in the description box, okay? And leave your information so that you can be the first to know. I'm about to turn the hair loss treatment, okay, space upside down on its head because the gatekeepers don't look like me. And I'm about to fix that, okay? I'm looking out for your interests. I'm really helping you because I really care. This is my mission and I need your support. So that's all I had to say. Okay, continue on. Anyway, so in hair care, if you don't know, there's a video I have that says skincare is the best for hair care. But in hair care, you can also, there's a lot of the same principles that apply to the scalp and to the hair. So basically this has cetyl alcohol, which is, I mean, it's really good. It's good because it has a lot of fatty acids in this particular alcohol. It's a natural alcohol. I know when we hear alcohol, we immediately get we become abrasive because it's like it's drying, but no, there's alcohols that actually bring moisture to the hair. This is one of them. It also has shea butter, glycerin, and coconut oil, you know, and so basically these are emollients, moisturizers, and humectants, meaning that it draws air from the atmosphere, moisture from the atmosphere. So it's doing it in 2 different ways, right? It has detangling and conditioning agents. It has nourishing agents. Usually when you hear nourishing, think oils, right? There's different types of oils. In this case, there's amla fruit, sunflower seed oil, and there's different amino acids that actually, when you think oils, think think nutrients, like food for the hair, right? Legit food for the hair, right? Treat your hair like you would a plant, right? Some of you treat your plants better, but that's neither here nor there. Hair nor there, right? So oils are really good for nourishing hair, and nourishment meaning delivering nutrients to the actual hair shaft because of the fatty acids in the oil. So it does nourish as well. So let's see, that's the mechanism of action. Now I will say, so far when it comes to bond repair, there's specific things that you're looking for, whether it's a peptide. Peptides are very important in bond repair because they're protein structures that are broken down in very, very, very tiny protein structures that can be absorbed, that can actually deliver nutrients, deliver whatever insert function to the actual cortex of the hair to repair the disulfide bond, right? So you look for peptides typically in a bond repair treatment. That should be at the top of the ingredient list, and I still have yet to see it. What I'm seeing so far, it's giving deep conditioner, right? So far, but they might come out of somewhere and like surprise me. So let's look. So now, what are the features and the benefits? Of course, it moisturizes the conditions, it detangles, it nourishes. You know, I think how this in an anecdotal roundabout way helps to repair hair is by hydrating your hair and by improving the manageability of your hair through those detangling ingredients so that it can sustain your hair. It can support hair growth, aka just help you with length retention because it doesn't make your hair grow. So far as, you know, so far as the workings of a hydrating conditioner. So the next thing that I look for is, you know, I want to know the efficacy. I want to know if there's any ingredients in this, you know, formulation that is clinically proven to do what it says it's going to do. If this is a bond repair treatment, I need something that is going to strengthen. I need something that's going to fortify. I need something that is going to, you know, not only fix the scaffolding, there has to be amino acids, antioxidants. But again, the number one thing is peptides, right? Proteins that are broken down into tiny, tiny protein structures that could be delivered to the hair to start focusing on repairing the cortex of the hair. And I don't see that. So I've gone through the ingredients on Target. Now, for those of you, if you know better than me, like maybe Target doesn't give you all the ingredients. Maybe Target gives you some of the ingredients, a piece of the ingredients. But so far, I don't, like I said, when you read ingredients, whatever's first is most important. So seeing water and cetyl alcohol is usually like the standard in hair care, but it's still nothing. Now, I know when I was reading on Target, it was saying a lot about Hydroplex Fusion. I didn't see anything about Hydroplex Fusion in the ingredient list, like nothing. Like, what is it? I mean, maybe I might Google Hydroplex Fusion and see what that is, but it doesn't seem like it's a patented technology. It just seems like it's a really cool marketing term that they've come up with. But listen, you know, I mean, there are a few amino acids here, you know, and you want amino acids because they're the building blocks of, you know, of protein in hair, but like very, very limited, very suggestive, very light. Like I said, when it comes to specific ingredients for like bond repair, you know, you gotta repair the disulfide bonds, and these are like the strongest bonds that are responsible for the structure of your hair. So, you know, I don't see anything specific to, you know, bond building ingredients in this product. I don't. Like, I'm looking and I don't see it. I don't see a proprietary formula. This is a very standard formula for most, you know, hair care mask, like deep conditioning, nourishing mask. And there's no type technology. Let me see. What is this Hydroplex infusion? Let me see. What is that? What is that? You know, let me Google it. Hold on. What is Hydroplex infusion? Let's see. No, this is a supplement that enhances fruit, flower, and bud development. It contains water-soluble vitamins, potassium. I don't know if this is what they're talking about. Yeah, no. I mean, again, I'm reading this off of, and it doesn't even have like the TM to say that it's a trademark, to say that there's any type of, if this is proprietary or any type of intellectual property that's specific to Shea Moisture. Let me go on their website. Let's go on Shea Moisture's website real quick and see if they have Hydroplex infusion and anything else. I'm really trying to see, like, because I'm like, before I tell you if this is, you know, Herscripts approved, yeah, like, I mean, I'm gonna need somebody, look, I can't let this video go too long. If this is their technology, if this is a patented technology, if this should be at the forefront of all their stuff, they need to be talking about it 99 million times. They need to let you know, beat it in your head. And then when I Googled it, it's like 10 different definitions for what this thing could be for different industries. So I don't know what it is. So listen, this is my final, okay? Listen, is the Shea Moisture Moisture Bond Repair Mask or Bond Repair System, is it Herscripts approved for bond repair? You know, drum roll. Absolutely not. It's absolutely not. And I wanted this to be good because, I mean, Shea Moisture is the GOAT in so many ways. Listen, they have great things that I love and they have other things that I'm meh about. I'm brand agnostic, meaning like it's not like, oh my gosh, this brand is my favorite brand. Like those of you who know, I like Marc Anthony for a lot of different things, and then they got stuff in their line that I'm like, I don't like it, right? So it's not like I'm a diehard Shea Moisture fan or not. It's just, does this do what it says it's gonna do? And unfortunately, overall, it's just a basic moisturizing and conditioning formula. It's a basic moisturizer and conditioning formula. I don't know, like I'm gonna do some research on what do you need to be able to make claims about bond repair, or how do you need to adjust the words so that you can get away with that, because maybe there's no bond repair police apparently out here that is saying you can't say bond repair unless you have bond repair ingredients in it, because if that's the case, this ain't it, y'all. Listen, save a little bit more money and get you a real bond repair product. I have a whole bunch of videos on bond repair, so I'm not going to give you a list here. I mean, I know what we're looking for is a good bond repair treatment that is affordable, right? Like who wants to pay 40, 35, whatever dollars each time? But bond repair is not something you're supposed to use indefinitely for the rest of your life. You're supposed to repair your bond and then just continue to maintain with hydration, nourishment, and strengthening, right? Protein. Do not like use bond repairs indefinitely. So it is an investment to repair your hair for sure. But anyway, I'm talking too much. No, it's not Herscripts approved. I'm sorry. It's not. And that's that on that. Like, I'm sorry, Shea Moisture, but you really played yourself on this one. Why would you say bond repair? I guess because why not try to get in, you know, and get in where you could fit in and make some extra money. And everybody is looking for bond repair now, especially at a discount. So why not go for it? Look, I get it, but this is definitely not it. So anyway, baddies, let me know if you want me to do more reviews. I've been trying to get this to look decent this whole video, sorry, but whatever. Just let me know if you want me to do more reviews like this. And yeah, that's it. Love you, bye.